Hi guys, welcome back to Abjada. In the previous one, we saw how we can get a list of posts of this Markdown blog. We have a bunch of posts here, 3 of them, and then we got it as a list here in the index and also in slash blog page. We got the same list, but we just want it in one place. And in this one, I'm going to style this and also add tags to these posts. Now let's get to it. Now here I have this index which is showing the same thing, which this is the homepage of the website, so I don't want this to be like that. I'll just have h1 here which says my website, and then maybe some content which I'm not sure of right now. So if we go to homepage and refresh, it shows my website. So I'm gonna use a layout as well. If you haven't seen my video on layouts, I have discussed in detail about how to create a layout and how it is useful. Now I'll have a container, and then I'll have slot. This is where all the content will appear. Now I'm going to style this. I'll style this. Let's say the container is of maximum width of 800 pixels, and then margin 0 auto. So basically what I'm doing is I'm making the content go towards the center. I'll have some kind of margin from top and bottom, and I'll refresh. Okay, and this seems to be okay. If I zoom out, yep, it comes to the middle. Now since we always use the zoomed in version, let's use 600. That should do it. Yep, my website, and also we'll have a navigation. Now creating a navigation is easy. We can create a folder called $lib, and then we can have components here. I'll call this now. Now in now I'll have a navigation bar, probably have a tag, which this is home, the first one, and then what we want is a blog, right? That's all we want. I'll call this blog. Now I can get that in the layout using the script tag. I can import now from $lib now.svelte. Above this slot, I'll have this now, and that should appear. Now.svelte is not found. Why? Specified. Okay, so I don't have to name it $lib. Okay, I just have to name it lib. That's so silly. Okay, all right, we got it. So we have the navigation here. I will style that as well. It shouldn't be hard. So UL, I don't want any padding or margin 0, padding 0, and list style none. The disk won't appear, and display flex, that should be at the top. Flex. Okay, and for the LIs here, list items, I'll have a margin rate of 10 pixels. That should do it. Why is it not above the content? It should come above. Yes, it's coming above. If I go to blog, I get to the list of blog. Okay, in the blog, however, before this, I'll have h1, and I'll call this blog. So when you navigate, this is easier. So we have been able to style this properly. This isn't pretty good, but it's a basic blog. In the next one, I'll add tags to this blog. Until then, bye bye.